Hey everybody, let's talk about cinnamon and cinnamon vitality. I've got them right here for you. Now remember, Young Living is the only company that has two separate labels, right? They have a white label, which means the Food and Drug Administration has approved that oil to be generally regarded as safe. That means it is safe for you to ingest. And the other oil is the exact same oil, but it is in a different color label to let you know that that is a great oil to use for topical and aromatic. So we're going to talk about all the uses of cinnamon while I'm holding both of the different bottles. But remember, the oils are the exact same in each bottle, so how you use them at home is entirely up to you. Let's talk real quick about the history of cinnamon. This is a prized and beloved spice. You guys all know it well with the cinnamon sticks. We associate it with the holiday seasons, especially Thanksgiving and Christmas and whatnot. Due to its powerful properties, though, in ancient China, cinnamon was part of prescription medication in every single prescription that they ever gave to anybody because it is very, very powerful. It is steam distilled from the outer parts, like the bark of the cinnamon tree. Countries like India, Madagascar, all of those places, you can see why, once you've gotten your hands on cinnamon, why the spice trade was such an amazing thing that happened in history. People just had to get their hands on a lot of these aromatic plants. Cinnamon is very high in the naturally occurring constituent. I'm going to look up and read it to you. Trans-Cinnamaldehyde. You can Google that one. That is a flavonoid that gives it its flavor and color. It's got a lot of powerful properties, so go and find your constituents on cinnamon and see what you come up with. I think you'll be very impressed with it. Now, it does come with a warning for those of you who have concerns about this, avoiding during pregnancy. Some people say avoiding during breastfeeding. I know lots of people who have used it very successfully throughout all of that, and it is an ingredient in thieves. So, don't be afraid of the oil. Also know that it's a hot oil. So if you're dumping cinnamon all over your skin, it isn't gonna feel very nice. You want to dilute. That being said, it is an excellent oil for the skin. It is really wonderful for encouraging healthy skin in all kinds of different situations. Just be sure to use a carrier oil or it will burn. You can apply it to insect bites. You can apply it to patches of skin that need a little soothing. You can massage a drop over the chest. That's really great for a soothing support for your respiratory system. You can diffuse it for immune support. Of course, when I'm talking about this, I'm talking about topical aromatic. Now, the one thing about diffusing it, it's going to smell amazing, but it is strong, and it's going to be real strong on your mucous membrane. So try not to allow the neat oil to touch like your lips or the lining of your nose or those sensitive skin areas on your body, because it is a hot oil, and that includes when it's running in the diffuser. Now, put it in a diffuser by all means. It's a wonderful oil to have running. But if you stick your nose right over the diffuser and it's shooting up that nebulizing oil into your nostrils, the small particulate matter of the cinnamon oil could affect the mucous membranes inside your nose. So just have an awareness of that. A lot of times we'll put an oil in a diffuser and our younger children will go and just inhale it. Now, cinnamon can have some properties that they may not enjoy so much. Again, nothing's gonna kill them. It's just not gonna feel very nice, and you can always remedy it with a little bit of carrier oil. But who wants to put carrier oil up their nose? Not me. So that could be fun, mamas. But just know that it can be handled. When we're talking about vitality, of course, this is an oil that you can use in your kitchen. It goes really well in tea. You can put it in hot chocolate. Of course, with the aromatic, put a couple drops on your Christmas pine cones. It smells amazing. This can be any kind, ciders, drinks, baking, pies, whatever that you use, all of those fall spices for, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, whatever. Young Living has it in a vitality oil. So it's an awesome season that Young Living is now giving us with all their promotions, all these incredible fall oils that do amazing things for our skin, for our immune system, for our respiratory system, and we can use them in the kitchen as well. So it's just win-win, win-win-win all the time. One thing you may not know when you're working on the diffuser, cinnamon blends with pretty much every single citrus oil. If you think about like orange and tangerine and grapefruit, all of these citrus oils are gonna smell amazing with cinnamon, so have fun with your diffuser and coming up with different blends to do in there. And of course, it also works really well with frankincense, geranium, juniper, oils like that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. Oh yes, cinnamon is a powerful oil to help with your circulatory system. So again, rubbing it with a carrier oil on the chest is going to help with the respiratory system, but you're also putting it over your heart. So you're going to increase that cardiovascular health that's going on there. Really great on the bottoms of the feet if they are cold and needing a little more circulation. So it's a very warming oil, and you will know that when you start using it. So there's all kinds of incredible ways to use it. Don't be afraid of cinnamon on the skin. Just make sure you dilute it, and in the event that it does feel uncomfortable, have a carrier oil on hand so that you can help that discomfort go away. All right, talk to you later.